How to change language in the Bereal app. If you have been using the Bereal application and wondering on how to change the language of the app, don't worry. In this video, I will show you how to do it. So let's get started. First of all, open the Bereal application. Just like this. After opening it, you will find something like this on your home screen. Now to change your language, tap on to profile at the bottom right here. Tap on it. Then tap on to settings at the top, just right here, select it. Now scroll down and here you can find there is no any built-in feature to change the language of this app. Now to change language, you need to go to settings of your mobile phone. Simply go to settings, tap on it. Then after opening it, here you can find search button at the top. Tap on it. Then type language just like this and tap on to language and region settings. Then you will see this language option right here. Now you can simply tap on to add language and from here you can simply add the language that you want. And by adding a new language on your mobile phone, the language will be changed of this Bereal app. And that's it. This is how you can change language in the Bereal application. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.